Here is a Nissan Murano. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Here's the key. What you need for this job is a small flathead screwdriver with a small flat tip like this one over here. First you'll get the physical key out of the key fob. Pull down there, get the key out. Now get the screwdriver and right over there there's a small notch. Put the screwdriver in there, push it and then twist it one more time, and now just follow along the edge and twist it again, and then a couple more times, and that's it. At this point the key should just come apart. Those are the two parts and the battery is right there. To get the battery out, just get the screwdriver and put it right in that small cutout right where I'm putting, and then pry the battery out from there, and there it is. This side with no markings on it is the negative side. The positive side is clearly marked with a plus sign, and the battery size is on it, CR2032. When you put the new battery in, the positive side should be down, and see where I'm pressing down? First press down from there and then push it in to secure it in place. Now just get the other part of the key fob, align it, and then simply press it together, and that is good. Don't forget to put the physical key back into the key fob. And now let's go out and try this out. This is working good. That's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.